Hi, Scorpio. Welcome to my channel. Okay, we're doing your love read here. You got worth waiting for, wedding, engagement, attraction, express your love, chemistry. You deserve love. Love yourself first, and children. Okay, some of you might be taking your love life to the next level, especially if you're already married here. It might be going to the next level with the engagement. That might be like a renewing of vows or just being more dedicated in your relationship, I feel. For some of you, you need to try to express your love more here with your person. I feel like one person takes action and then again other like wait till they take action. It's something like that where y'all both supposed to be taking action. It's like a stubborn type of energy a little bit, but then eventually y'all come together. Cause I'm saying that because of that red they both have on. You see the woman has on the red there, you see? And then the man has it on there. So instead of, waiting for this person to take action, go ahead and take action on them. Shit. Open up. Because you deserve love here. Also feel like with this deserved love, your ancestors are guiding you. To still love yourself first through this process. Perhaps some of you been a little bit busy here working on your foundation, your work, things like that. Children, your children, your love life is being affected by children. This might be, I also see this as a past card here, like the Six of Cups here. Some of you are going back, thinking about how things used to be in the past when it came to this relationship, how close you both were here. And now it's like sometimes you might feel like you're by yourself in this marriage, but you're never really by yourself, because I see someone going to work, kissing someone off, going to work here. I feel like, but this person has a whole lot of emotions for you here because he has blue on. Or this could be you from my masculine. But he has a whole lot of blue, a whole lot of emotions that this person has for you. They see you as their angel. Okay. Let's clarify. If you're not in a relationship, you might be waiting for the right person to come in. I feel like they will. I really do. But you have to be open to it. You have to be open to it. This is wedding. This could flip. I don't know. Let's see. The world. A new cycle here. Yeah, Two of Cups. New cycle. A new love interest here. For some of you. Or for some of you, like I said, this is renewing your vows here. I feel like somebody thinks the world of you here. What's the engagement? Some of you could be dealing with another fixed sign. Nine of Swords. Okay. Alright. Somebody a little stressed out. Worried. I guess you could be worried, like to be engaged. What do they call it? When you start to get like cold feet here. Alright, let's see. What's the Nine of Swords? You worried about a oh, don't be. It's stable. It's coming here. Some of you might be stressing out. Do you have enough here? Somebody worried if somebody's going to invest. But I feel like they will. This is attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying the moment. So try to stay in the moment. Don't stress too much. 8 of Wands. Enjoy the moment here with that 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is like spiritual too as well. Because things are moving forward. Things are coming toward you with that 8 of Wands by you just enjoying the moment and letting things flow. That's like an ebb and flow, right? Okay. Yeah, some of you just worried that somebody is worried that somebody's going to walk away here. But this is telling you, like, don't get too much in your head about certain things, right? With this 8 of Wands and 8 of Cups here. Like, get out of your mind here. Stop telling yourself things that aren't true. Enjoy the moment. Let it flow. Ebb and flow. Oh, that just gave me a headache. A little bit there. Let's express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. That's you. The Death card. Yeah, express yourself. If you want love here. I think a lot of you are just kind of closed off from the idea of love here. Be so damn cold, Scorpio. What is this? The Star. It's something you want. So why are you so cold? It feels cold. But this is something that you wish for. Someone to open up and express with you. Well, in order to get that, you have to express it too as well. Come on now. Ace of Swords. This is communication. I heard cutting to the chase, cutting to the case, something like that. I feel like it's very passionate. I feel like you and this person has a whole lot of passionate chemistry here. If you're a woman dealing with a guy, it don't have to be. This guy has a whole lot of emotions for you, see? Or this is you. But this is true chemistry, a true connection, and you deserve it. So this person is being honest. Queen of Pentacles. You could be married to this person. or this could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I have Aquarius here, too. You deserve love. Y'all why y'all holding back here? You feel like you holding back? Or do you feel like the person's holding back? Yeah, somebody's resisting something. But yet at the same time, they don't want something to end here. Somebody needs to open up. You attract what you are. Four of Wands is a marriage here. You're not going to be open up to your marriage. But I feel like this marriage is protected here. You both deserve this here. What's the love yourself first? Ten of Cups. Some of you feel like you can just be happy by yourself. I'm not gonna lie. But as you love yourself more, it brings in more happiness, right? Because if you don't love yourself, how are you gonna love somebody else? What's this Ten of Cups? That's beautiful. What they say, happy wife, happy life. So, the devil. Ooh. Could be a couple. Somebody here got a little bit of a commitment issue here. Like obsessed of a commitment fold you have. Like everything has to be right. What's the devil? Ten of Wands. Or whatever that is, that's over with, I feel, with that Ten of Wands. Somebody might have made it very hard to be happy with someone here with those two tens. I feel like that's over here. The High Priestess and the Nine of Pentacles here. Somebody was secretly obsessing here. Maybe because you love yourself first in this relationship, it made someone feel a little insecure. That's probably why that chemistry is here to open up here, if you know this is your person. Because this person is going through something kind of hard. They might be a little codependent upon you. I don't think, well, codependency isn't healthy. It's not. Any more? Hangman. Some of you might have been reviewing this here, observing this. Maybe somebody got a little bit of codependency issues, which is going to make it hard, especially if you got children you must attend to, family you must attend to. I feel like it's something like that. Oh. Somebody trying to hold on to you. Here. Also see where somebody trying to keep someone stuck here. I be like, I think you love yourself first. She's like, hell no. I mean, that's what I'm getting. I mean, somebody try to have you down and stuck and just no. You gotta have a life for your own, things to do on your own. What's this children card? The Hermit. Somebody wants you to withdraw from your kids to attend to them. That's what I'm getting. Some of you might figure out that you got a baby here. Could be a Virgo child. Let's see. Oh, what's this Hermit? But that's what I feel like. Somebody wants you to withdraw from your children to attend to them. I don't know how that's gonna happen. Some of you got wisdom from your childhood here too with that Hermit, the Magician. Some of you got a Virgo child here. That child is very intuitive here. They are. So listen to your children here, or your child, I feel to say, because it's something that they're trying to open up to tell you here. It might have something to do with this relationship. Might don't. I don't want to get into all that. Three of Wands, yeah. That child has foresight. It's cool. Have an intuitive kid. Okay, that is what I have for you. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.